Hi, my name is Gautami. I'm an engineering manager at ConductorOne, and today I'm here to talk to you about separation of duties, or as we call it in ConductorOne, access conflicts. An access conflict is when a user is granted one or more entitlements that result in conflicting access. So a good example of this is when a user might already have accounts receivable, and then they are granted accounts payable. This results in an access conflict. Access conflicts, we generally would like to prevent access conflicts because they result in over-provisioning of a user, results in fraud in some cases, as well as they are, in general, a security risk. So in ConductorOne, it's easy to set up access conflicts. You have two groups of entitlements, and if a user is granted any entitlement in both of these groups, it results in an access conflict. Also using ConductorOne, we can prevent access conflicts from happening before they result in a violation. So let's say there are a couple of ways to do this. The first way is through our task details page. Let's say a user has accounts receivable, requests accounts payable. This conflict violation, or the potential of a conflict violation, would show up as a flagged insight on your task details page so that the approver can take a closer look and decide whether or not to actually grant this user accounts payable when they already have accounts receivable. The second way to set this up is using our policy engine. So let's say, same situation, a user has accounts receivable, they request accounts payable. Using our policy engine can intelligently say that this access might result in an access conflict. If it does not result in an access conflict, I would like the basic approval flow. If it does result in an access conflict, I would like an escalated approval flow that may result in your manager taking a look, or your head of finance taking a look to see whether you should actually have accounts receivable and accounts payable. So again, using ConductorOne, you can prevent access conflicts from happening in the first place. You can monitor and detect and easily remediate using our task engine to revoke access that has resulted in an access conflict, or using our new automations product. You can detect access conflicts, run an access review, or revoke access. That's it. Thank you for listening. Please look at our docs for more information.